Hey, what is going on, everybody? Just continuing my Google Pixel 4 coverage here. I've got another unboxing for you, and this one is for one of these official OEM Google Pixel 4 cases. Now, this one in particular comes in several different colors, maybe 4, I think. I forgot the exact names. The orange one I think is called Could Be Coral. This is some kind of smoky gray. There's a blue one. Now, all 3 of those I think look absolutely awesome, and I had a bit of a hard time choosing which one I wanted. Was tempted to get multiple cases. And I think there's a black one as well. They're generally, at least 3 of them are kind of meant to match your phone a bit. And then there's the blue one, which I guess is a bit of a wild card. I liked this one a lot. Now, the phone I have, it's the regular Pixel 4 in Oh So Orange, 128 gigabytes. I could have chosen the matching orange case, but I figured if I wanted to show off that orange, I would probably just use the phone without a case, which I tend to do with my phones anyway. So I went with this nice, the gray color, which maybe is a little bit more, I don't know, professional. Let's say if I'm at work or in a meeting, I don't want this kind of brightish coral orange showing too much, even though it's not super bright. It's just more coral than true orange. Anyway, without further ado, let's check out how this case fits the Google Pixel 4. It should fit perfectly. We're about to find out here. So, yep, have not opened this up just yet. Hopefully I'll be able to. There we go. And all right, here we go. Now, Google has gone with this sort of texture for a couple generations now with their Pixel. I heard this one is slightly different. I hope it's a little bit more durable because people were complaining about how dirty some of their cases got. Even though these are really, really nice cases and tend to garner a bunch of compliments. See how it looks here in the viewfinder. Yep, really nice here. So it's got the coral orange power button and the coral orange Google logo on the back. On the inside, it's kind of a soft, suede-ish Alcantara sort of material. It says Google Pixel 4 down there. And the little hand here, I don't know if it's just encouraging you to feel the material or what. Obviously a camera cutout for the camera housing. On the bottom, it is not covered, so that the front firing speakers, pull the phone up here, you can see that. So the speakers and the USB-C port are free to roam. And on the top here, just a little cutout, just a hole for the microphone. All right, let's see how this fits. Should be quite simple to snap on. Indeed it is. I'm in the phone. Power button works perfectly, very tactile. There it is again. And the volume rocker is actually hidden. I didn't notice that. So you see there might be, I don't know if you can, how well you can see it on camera, there's a little protrusion here, a little bump. And that is for the volume rocker. Let me get back into the phone. And you see when I put the volume up and down here, you can see I'm pressing on the volume rocker and it's a little bit hidden here. I kind of like that. Keep the case as minimalistic as possible. So here's how it looks like from the front and from the back. Very, very nice look and feel to it. Here it is. The side, the top, perfectly flush with that microphone hole. Nothing on this side at all. Of course, your SIM tray is hidden somewhere down there, so you'd have to take the case off if you were taking the SIM out. And the bottom fits perfectly right to the edge of where the bottom firing speakers begin or start, and of course the USB-C port. So yeah, there you have it. Pixel 4 case in this gray color. Forgot the name. Let's look at the box here. Does it say the name? Not sure here, but anyway, it does come with actually no booklets at all. So this is just this kind of just sticks out of the box, kind of protrudes from the box. It says hashtag Team Pixel. Some washing instructions: hand wash, dry flat. For more cleaning tips, g.co/cases/help. And it looks like the same instructions in multiple languages. On the back, it just says it's a fabric case. I don't know, unless I'm missing it. If I'm blind, let me know. I do not see the exact color title. I mean, it's written obviously in the Google store, but yep, so here it is. Once again, the gray, I think smoke or smoky is somewhere in the title of this color. The gray cloth case here for the Google Pixel 4. I'm gonna enjoy very much rocking this one when I do put a case on my phone. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you've got any questions.